Hello kids, so in previous class we had learned how to write the poem. So already I had written two poems here and I asked you to write two more poems. So today our aim is to edit the poem which we have written in S3. So already I have written a poem in S3. What we want to do that? So we want to check whether our poem is correct or not. How are we going to check? See. While checking our poem, first of all, we want to check whether the first two rows are having the rhyming words. So here, whether rhyming words are there or not there of the stanza. So the stanza of 4 lines, whether the first 2 lines ending we have the rhyming words or not. Then we have to check the next 2 lines whether rhyming words are there or not there. So basing on this, you are going to write your S4. So in your S4, the first question, if you come to the first question, check your poem and put a tick if you did this. See, first you want to check your first 2 lines whether rhyming words you used or not. Then comes your next question, second one, where you want to check the next, that is the third and fourth lines whether they are having the rhyming words or not there. Then the first 2 lines whether they are telling about the problem. So I said there is a cow in the row. So there is a problem here. A cow is there and it is there in the row. Now it cannot stay in that row, or a doll is there in the hall. It is there. So I have some problem. So maybe my doll doesn't have a dress when it is sitting there in the hall. So I need a dress immediately. So there is a problem. And I am giving a solution here that I want a stick just to move that cow away. So you are coming to your fourth one. The third line tells the solution. Whether the third line, first 2 lines, whether it is having a problem, you want to check it. Then comes whether your third line is having a solution for that problem. So is this a solution? Yes. For my first 2 lines problem, I can say that stick is the one which is a solution to move the cow and dress is the solution for my doll. Now coming to the last one, that one, the fourth line must have name of a thing which is not at all the solution. So Fevikwik is not my solution. I want a stick. Why do I need a Fevikwik? So I don't want a Fevikwik. So this is not a solution even. I don't want the press. So this is not a solution. So that's the correct one which I had written. Now you have to suppose check your poem. You yourself want to check your poem whether your poem has the rhyming words here for the first 2 lines and the second 2 lines. That means the first 2 lines and third and fourth lines whether they are having the rhyming words. Next you want to check whether it is a problem and you want to check whether the third line is having a solution and the fourth line does not contain the solution for that problem. So basing on this, you want to check your volume. If everything is correct, that means if you had written everything perfectly, you can leave it. But if anything is wrong while writing that, then you want to change it. If you didn't write a rhyming word, then you want to change it and again you want to write it. You want to change it and you want to write it as a poem in your second question. And further, you want to have a title. So I can say that the title is cow in a row. I can say cow in a row. I can say doll in the hall is my title of the poem which I had written. In the same way, what you want to do is edit your poem. You can see it here. You can edit it. See, S4. Check the poem and put a tick in your poem has the following things. See the first one. The first 2 lines of the stanza rhyme with each other. If they are rhyming, put a tick mark. The last 2 lines of the stanza rhyme with each other. If it is correct, you can put a tick mark. The first 2 lines tell the problem. So if there is a problem in your poem which you had written, you can put a tick mark there. Now the next fourth question, the third line tells the solution. If the third line really tells the solution for the problem, you can put a tick mark there. Now coming to the last one, the fourth line names a thing which can't be the solution. If your fourth line is not a solution really, then you can put a tick mark. If anything is wrong, then you want to write in second one. Add or change anything in your poem if needed. Write down your final poem below. If no changes are required, no need of writing that poem. If you want, you can write some new poem also. And write a title for your poem. So third question, you want to write the title of that poem which you had written on your own. Now try to complete your volume page number 18 S4 in 11th block and send it through WhatsApp. Okay children, thank you very much.